Welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to try something a little different, see what y'all like.
Today is the day I'm making a change, building things different, making things better.
This is a thinking concept channel, and I may not have done this the first time, I may not have done this the best way, but this is so y'all can have some ideas if you got projects yourself. So what I'd like y'all to comment on is whether or not I should do home things also on this channel, or do y'all prefer that I stick to the shop? Maybe I should create a Think, Build, Test Home Edition. I don't know. Leave comments down below. Let me know what you think. All right, on with the episode. This is why we're here. So maybe some of y'all are wondering, what did I do all fall and winter? Well, after I got through building the first trailer, I kind of owed my wife a bathroom. I'll probably flash to some pictures here. Yeah, this place was destroyed. We had a water leak in our old shower pan, so I had to get that fixed because we were down to one bathroom, and my wife gutted all the walls, so she was ready for me to get our bathroom back in order. So anyway, without any ado, I just wanted to show you what we did and some of the things that I thought about. Like I said, these aren't things that I'm saying that I invented, but maybe they'll give you a good idea. So let's check this out. So I was in here and we completely remodeled this whole thing. We have a new shower, new bathtub, new faucets. I took the old mirror out and did new fixtures, relocated the fixtures, redid most of the drywall, brand new drywall, drywall patches in the ceiling. I sweated all my own pipes, installed all my own fixtures, and pretty much told all the marble guys exactly the dimensions they needed. I set my own pans, set my own tub, and I didn't really want to show that because I don't really need to teach y'all how-to stuff as far as this stuff. I'm not a professional, but there's plenty of that stuff on YouTube anyway, so support your local handyman on YouTube. I just wanted to show you a couple little things that we thought about, some features, and this was by the request of my wife, that she was trying to figure out how to optimize her space underneath the sink. For the cabinets, I reused the frame. The old plywood was really good. It was thicker and harder than new stuff. So I reused it and rebuilt the drawers and all the counter fronts. And what we did is we did full slide pull-out drawers on all of them so that you can get all the way to the back. But the thing that we really needed was this space underneath the sink. Usually you have your drawers, and then anything you want down there, you got to crawl all the way back to get it. Just stuff gets thrown in there. So I did a 2-drawer system down here, and the whole bottom comes out, so you don't have to reach for anything all the way in the back. And then the top, some people do this little flip-out drawer or whatever. You can't go all the way down because of the sink. So on this one, I made a cutout for the sink here and put as much space as I could. And I made it this tall so that her big cans can stand up and not be laying over and not be stacked on each other. And, usually we have a variety of stuff, but this one was always our tallest one. So this was kind of the model can that she said it needed to fit in this standing up. So anyway, I just made a big flush mount here, and I just did a 1/16 gap all the way around, did flush, built the doors from scratch, got the hardware. So anyway, just thought you might want to check that out. Do with it what you want. If you don't like it, that's fine. If you like it, let me know in the comments below, and we'll do some more of this stuff. So I still have some unfinished parts of this. We got all the trim all the way up to here. I redid these cabinets with soft close. Put a new door on. So I'm in this area here. We used to have a bench for laundry, but everything just kept getting put on top of it, and it wasn't really big enough to hold all of our laundry. So I'm thinking about what we need to do for this space. So I'd like to put something that'll kind of lean out so I can pull these baskets out easily and not get anything lost in the bottom or be able to get trapped behind. But we don't want anything that things can sit on, because then you don't use them anyway. Let me know what you think about that, and if you want, that's a project that I'll be doing coming up. Let me know in the comments. My wife had a few special requests with the shower and the space for the soap and everything. And you know, sometimes they'll put this little corner shelf in the corner, but that's like a giant trap for fungus to get underneath, and it's really hard to clean. So we really didn't want that. We wanted something strong and sturdy. So let me show you what's in the shower. This was another special request right here. This is a place where you can put our soaps, but also this is where my wife wanted to be able to have a step for shaving her legs. Hey, get out of here, you! On the other side, we just did the traditional, what they call around here, a pony wall, which is a mid-high wall right here for this glass to sit on. And we can also put soaps and stuff over here. But anyway, this is the shower we did. We did all black square kind of theme, everything. And like I said, we textured everything, did the ceiling and the walls. And it's probably the nicest room in our house right now. We got to remodel the whole rest of it now, especially after putting a trailer in it. Just kidding, I didn't hurt nothing. So anyway, just leave some comments, tell me what you think, and that's a wrap for this Think Build Test Home Edition, maybe? I don't know, but we'll catch you next time. See you, YouTube.
Don't do that.